how to cancel WorldRemit transfer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can cancel a WorldRemit transfer, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to cancel a WorldRemit transfer, it's actually quite simple. Just go to worldremit.com and let's say that there's a certain transfer that you've made on WorldRemit and then you would like to cancel them. It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just make sure to hit the My Account option from the top right and then just go to My Transactions tab. Once you come to your transactions page, you'll be able to see a list of all the transactions that you've made, where you can simply select a particular transaction that you would like to cancel. So you'll see all of the transfers in progress. Select the one you want to cancel and then hit the cancel button next to them. Currently I don't have any transactions, but if you have, you'll find them over here. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then cancel your WorldRemit transfer. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.